Hello students, welcome to the class. I'm Yogita. Today we are going to discuss about breastfeeding. You all may be very familiar with the concept of breastfeeding. When the new baby is born, we are feeding the baby with the breast milk. Also a concept of exclusive breast milk. That means feeding the baby with the breast milk exclusively till 6 months of age. Now, a first concept is colostrum. Now, when the baby is born, within 1 or 2 days, what milk we are giving that will be in yellow in color, this milk is called as colostrum. Now, we need to initiate the breastfeeding within half an hour of the delivery so that mother can produce 130 to 40 ml of colostrum, which will be rich in antibody, so that baby will develop a good immune system, good immune resistance. Also, this colostrum contain interferon like substance which is strong in antiviral activity. The colostrum which will have B12 binding, which protein which help for the growth of E. coli and other bacteria. Now ultimately, colostrum which make the baby more strong, so that it helps to enhance the immune system. Then the breast milk. A mother is feeding the baby with breast milk. Now, how much breastfeed and how many times of feeding is required? Till the baby from birth to 1 month, 50 to 75 ml of breast milk and 6 to 7 times per day. And 1 to 2 months, in that 75 to 100 ml of breast milk is fed 6 to 7 times per day. Then 2 to 4 months, 100 to 125 ml of breast milk, where 5 to 6 times if you feed the baby is well and good. Then 4 to 6 months, 150 to 175 ml of milk and 6 to 7 times per day. Whereas beyond 65 months, 175 to 200 ml of milk, where 4 to 5 times per day. Now this will be the feed what is required for the baby. So this we are feeding with the breast milk. Now, what is the advantage of breast milk? When you feed the baby with breast milk, baby is getting all kind of nutritional factors. Now breast milk, it is less in protein, so that there is no much pressure on the kidneys to excrete the sodium. Kidney feel much relaxed. Now breast milk, it rich in carbohydrate, so that it contain enzymes called lactose, which will be higher in the nature, and that will help in a easy digestion. Now this carbohydrate where lactose present, that make the breast milk sweeter in taste. Breast milk, it also will be less in fat. Now we no need to heat or boil the breast milk, because we are directly feeding the baby, so there is no change and no harm of getting loss of some kind of vitamins, because when we take the cow milk or when we dilute it with the water or heat it, there is a maximum chance that vitamins are get lost, because that fear that loss may not happen with the breast milk. Then good immune resistance. When we feed the baby with the breast milk, it helps the baby to develop a good immune system. It will build a passive immunity, so baby feel much healthy. Breastfeeding, it also gives a psychological well-being. It creates the bond between baby and the mother. Mother feels satisfaction. When we feed the baby also feel love and secure. So good understanding, good bonding will develop between baby and mother. Even we can also know this kangaroo method, where skin to skin contact, which help the baby to maintain the body temperature as well as close contact with the mother, so that the baby will improve in this condition. Now breastfeeding also helps to get certain hormones. Now this breast milk which rich in some hormones, so that the hormones like thyroid stimulating hormones, thyroxine, insulin and prolactin. Now this will help in promoting the growth. It helps in regulating the growth and development. Now breastfeeding, it can be done anytime, anywhere, anyhow. Whenever the baby wants, we can feed the baby. Breast milk, it is free from microorganism or any kind of pathogens, bacteria. It will be sterile, so that there is no harm of getting any kind of bacterial disease or gastrointestinal tract disease. Because when we feed the baby with artificial feed, artificial milk or cow milk, there is a chance baby may develop some milk-borne disease or some pathogenic disease, but that is not there. Now, when we feed the baby with the breast milk, it will maintain the right body temperature, because when we feed this cow milk or artificial milk which we make heat your feed, that will bring the changes in the temperature, but readily available breast milk is right in the body temperature. We can easily feed the baby. Breast milk is easily digested. Easily digestion can occur, so that child will not, or the small infant may not find any digestion problem. To be honest, this breast milk will be an economic source of food for infant. You no need to pay any money to the breast milk. It is a gift of God, naturally available, so that we can feed the baby and baby will be more healthy. Also, breast milk, if you're feeding, breastfeeding, then that will be a natural contraceptive. Until we feed, there will be lactation, amenorrhea will be there, no menstruation, so that no ovulation, then that will be a natural contraceptive measures. So there is no very less chance that mother will conceive, but definitely mother need to be take care regarding the contraceptive measures. But apart from that, this will be a natural contraceptive. Now, this jaws will become more strong and baby can exclusively suck the breast milk, and we can make a feed on demand. Whenever the baby cries, definitely we can feed the baby with breast milk. There is no harm in that. Also, breast milk will, when you feed the baby with the breast milk, breastfeeding, that reduce the chance of breast cancer. This is the greatest advantage for the mother, one who is making this breastfeeding, a very less chance of developing breast cancer. Now, okay, one more thing, one more advantage is that, like when we prepare the formula feeding, you may not so accurate in mixing your preparing the feed. Definitely some changes can occur, but that error, that problem we cannot see in breastfeeding. As usual, I said, as how I said, is a gift of God, gift of nature, so that readily we can feed the baby with the right formula. So these all are the advantages of breastfeeding. Students, I hope you can right now, you no need to mug up the answers, think practically that how the mother feed the baby and what all the advantages these infants are getting, physical, psychological, economical, nutritional benefits because of this breastfeeding. I hope you understood. You can write the answers, 2 marks, 3 marks or 5 marks. So please keep watching. I'll meet you in the next class with a new concept. Thank you all.